Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. What follows are my personal experiences and insights. Today we're exploring VantageScore and specifically their free credit score offering found at vantagescore.com/consumers/tools/free-credit-scores/. Understanding your credit score is crucial in today's financial landscape, impacting everything from loan approvals to interest rates. VantageScore provides a convenient avenue for accessing this vital information without cost. Their website provides a user-friendly interface that guides you through the process of obtaining your free credit score. While numerous credit scoring models exist, VantageScore is a widely recognized and utilized option. Their scoring model takes into account several key factors, including your payment history, outstanding debt, credit utilization, credit age, and recent credit inquiries. By understanding these components, you can gain valuable insights into your creditworthiness and identify areas for potential improvement. Visiting the provided URL, you'll find a wealth of resources and tools to help you navigate the complexities of credit scoring. The website offers clear explanations of the factors influencing your score, allowing you to better understand your financial standing. Moreover, they offer educational materials and resources to empower you to make informed decisions about your credit. Navigating the VantageScore website is a straightforward process. The clear layout and intuitive design make it easy to access the information you need. The free credit score tool is readily available, ensuring a hassle-free experience. Once you've accessed your score, you can explore additional resources on the website to further enhance your understanding of credit management. VantageScore provides helpful tips and strategies for improving your credit, empowering you to take control of your financial well-being. By leveraging these resources, you can work towards achieving your financial goals and securing a brighter financial future. So, be sure to visit the link in the description and explore the valuable tools and resources offered by VantageScore.